There's a quote from long ago, actually from the Bible, that says, "To whom much is given, much will be required." And I was helped to understand that as a young person, and along the way learned from others the notion of service, investing oneself in doing something for a larger community or the nation or the world. That's really what this is about. I've chosen to invest myself in health and public health, but it's really the concept of being of service. I was born in Birmingham, Alabama. Many people have had difficult childhoods, and I don't have any of those stories because I grew up in a wonderfully gentle, supportive, encouraging family. After med school, I went to Denver doing a residency in pediatrics. I especially liked pediatrics because I came to see children are our future, and healthy children mean a better future for them and for everyone. Peds is a hopeful specialty. The most important thing about my residency, though, is that's where I met my wife. She was also a resident in pediatrics. I owe a lot to the specialty. Then I went to Washington and the White House Fellows Program. One of the people that I worked for in Washington was then President George Bush, the first President Bush, and he repeatedly talked about the notion of service, public service, inspired me and scores of others. It was during the time that I was at CDC that we got the Congress's permission to change the name of the agency to be the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and make the point that we can help people, most especially if we help them prevent disease and disability. I've had the privilege across several different jobs in different locations to work in areas of consequence. My wife and son and I came here in 1997. I was recruited by Chancellor Michael Hooker to be Dean of the School of Public Health. I wasn't a Tar Heel born, but for the last 21 years I've been a Tar Heel bred. The opportunities at Carolina to collaborate broadly, to do things with a team of people that span many disciplines and many parts of the university and the state is something that just doesn't exist many other places. One of the things that I especially appreciate about this state, it has a decades-long tradition of people coming together from business or community leadership or elected officials who join together, R's and D's, to do important things to make our state a better place. We see it happening right now in the wake of Hurricane Florence, where people have joined together to help their neighbors and their fellow citizens. It's a beautiful state and has wonderfully kind and hospitable people. I've been blessed by thousands of people who have helped me along the way. I surely know that whatever I've accomplished has been a team effort. I'm honored by this award, but Bill Roper didn't do this by himself. Life's a team effort. Bobby Kennedy said, "Many people see things as they are and ask why. I dream things that never were and ask why not." That's part of what I'm about.